Good morning, 7th class. We are starting 6th question of exercise 6.4. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 and 15 centimeter. Okay, two sides are given. Between what two measures should be the length of the third side fall? You have to tell that जो third side है वो किन दो sides के किन दो measures के बीच में fall करेगी, किनके दो बीच में numbers के बीच में आएगी. So you know that the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. ठीक है, so we will use that property. First of all, write down first side of triangle, that is 12 centimeter. Second side of triangle 15 centimeter. Now we know the rule, sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So 12 plus 15, the sum of 12 plus 15 is greater than the third side, that is 27, है ना. It means third side is smaller than 27, है ना, because it is the greater than third side. It means third side will be smaller than the 27. Now remember one thing more, that difference of two sides, difference of two sides, मतलब these two sides, if we will subtract this, then 3 will come. This difference should be greater than the third side. 15 minus 12. This is also a property, that difference of two sides of a triangle is smaller than the third side. It means third side will be greater than the difference of two sides. Difference of two sides of a triangle is smaller than the third side. So it means third side, जो third side है, it is greater than 3 and smaller than 27. So that third side will fall between 3 and 27. ठीक है, third side will come between 3 and 27. Between 3 centimeter and 27. Third side will fall between 3 centimeter and 27 centimeter. Yes, class. Now we are starting new exercise, exercise 6.5. In this exercise, we will read about Pythagoras property. Okay. So we use Pythagoras property only in right angled triangle. You know about right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means there one angle is of 90 degree. So this is the right angle triangle ABC. At B there is 90 degree angle. Now in this property there are the names of the sides. ठीक है? First of all, this side is called base and this side is called perpendicular, or another name is height. Okay, and this side, that is opposite of 90 degree angle, this is the longest side of this right angle triangle. This is called hypotenuse. So this is hypotenuse. This is the longest side of a triangle. ठीक है, so Okay, these three sides are there. This is base. This is called this side. There is 90 degree of angle. This is called perpendicular or height. And this, the side opposite of 90 degree angle is called hypotenuse. And this is the longest side of this right angle triangle. Now we use Pythagoras property in this triangle. So what is the Pythagoras property? According to Pythagoras property, hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. This is called Pythagoras property. Okay, using this property you have to find the the sides of these triangles. In question, two sides will given you. You have to find the third side. So we will use this Pythagoras property. Now we are starting question. Okay, I can give you here one example also. Like in example, there is a right angle triangle. Okay. So here this is a right angle triangle. This is 4. This is 3. Okay, you have to find this hypotenuse. Okay. So what we will do, A, B, C. We will use this property. You will write here by Pythagoras property. Okay, we will use Pythagoras property. So write this rule again here. I am not writing, I am telling you only. Write this rule again here. Now according to this rule, what is you have to find from here hypotenuse. Okay. So we will write this, because we don't know value of this side. We will write like this only. Base, you know, base is, so base is 3. You will write here 3. Write only H. Okay. And what is the perpendicular? That is 4. Right here 4. Now in next step, do find its square. 3. The square is 3. There is square. So it means 3 into 3. So it will be. So this is the square of 3. And it means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 raised to power 2 and plus 4 raised to power 2 means 4 into 4. It will be 16. So add it. 9 plus 16, 25. Now you have to find here from here value of hypotenuse. But there is square also. So we have to remove this square. How we will remove this square? By using square root both sides. Okay. We will use here square root both sides like this. This is square. This is called square root. We will use here both sides. You know, when square and square root will come together, then it will be cut. From square with square root will be cut, because square and square root they are inverse. Okay. So what is the square root of 25? 5. You know na, 5 5s are 25. So here hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. Now we are starting first question of exercise 6.5. PQR is a triangle, right angle at P. Okay, first of all we will draw figure here. We will draw a right angle triangle. He is saying right angle at P. So here is right angle. So we will give name here P. So it will be P, Q and R. So this is the right angle triangle PQR. If PQ is 10, this is 10 centimeter. And PR is 24 centimeter. So you have to find from here QR. So this is the base, this is the perpendicular, and that side is hypotenuse. Okay. So we have to find here from hypotenuse. It means we will use here Pythagoras property. So you will write here by using, first of all you will write here, in right angled triangle PQR by using Pythagoras theorem. Yeah, property, you can say property also. Property. Okay. So according to this property, what is the property? That hypotenuse sphere is equal to base square there is perpendicular square. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Now we will put values in this. We don't know value of hypotenuse, so it will come same like this only. We know base is 10. We know perpendicular, that is 24. Okay, it will come same again. Now 10 raised to power 2 means 10 into 10, it will be 100. Then 24 raised to power 2, it will be 24 into 24, it will be 576. Now add it, it will be 676. Now again there is square, we have to remove this square. So what we will do, we will take square root both sides. Taking square root both sides. So it will, square root will be like this. This is the sign of square root. Here also square root will come. So taking square root on both sides. Okay. Now we know that square and square root both are inverse. Okay. So inverse things will be cut. So they are inverse of each other. So we will cut square and square root. Okay. So it will there only hypotenuse is left. It will be 676. Now hypotenuse is 676. Now we will find, sorry. It will come 676 will come with square root. Now we have to find the value of this square root of 676. There are two methods. First is prime factorization method. Second is division method, long division method. But we will use here prime factorization method to finding the square root of this. So here we will do prime factorization. We will find prime factors. It will go on 2, again on 2, now on 13, again on 30. So we will write these all prime numbers into this square root. 2 multiply 2 multiply 13 multiply 13. Okay. Square, there are two pairs of, one pair is of 2, one pair is of 13. So what you will do, now you will take take out 2 from this pair, take out 13 from this pair. So when from this 2 will come outside, and from this 13 will come outside. So square root will be removed. Okay. Now here will be, I am doing here. So hypotenuse will be 13 to the 26 centimeter. So this is the length of QR. QR is 26 centimeter. So like this you have to find sides by using Pythagoras property. Second question is, ABC is a triangle, right angle at C. Make a right angle triangle. Right angle at C, it means it will be like this, A, B, C, A, B, C. And if AB is equal to 25 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter, you have to find BC from here. It means you have to find out perpendicular. Again we will write here by using Pythagoras property in triangle ABC. So again hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So now in this question hypotenuse is given, that is 25. So we will write here 25. Base is given, that is 7. From here you have to find perpendicular. What is the square of 25? 25 into 25, it will be 625. Square of 7, 7 7 ja 49. Now you have to find the value of perpendicular, so 49 will come here. 49 is here of plus, when it will come here it will be of minus. Now subtract it, it will be 576. Again you have to remove this square, so taking square root both sides, 576 is equal to this, square se square root cut, so it will be 576 is equal to P. Now find the square root of 576. Like this. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6, then 3. Again we will do pairing of same numbers like this, and one number take out from this pairing. From this 1 2 will come, from this 1 2 will come, from this 1 2 will come, and from this 1 3 will come. Now multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So here perpendicular is 24. It means BC is 24 centimeter also. Third question is, a 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall to a distance A. It means this is the ladder. That is 15 meter long and window is 12 meter high from the ground, and distance is between that ladder and wall, the distance is A, it is given, and you have to find the distance of foot of ladder from the pole. It means you have to find base. This is the right angle triangle. Why? Because wall is straight and 90-degree angle is on this wall. Okay, so you have to find from here base. So again you will write here by using Pythagoras property in, give name, I am giving name PQR, in triangle PQR. So this is hypotenuse, so square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, now it is 5. Base, you don't know value of base, so this is 15 and base is A, perpendicular is 12. Okay, now what is the square of 15? 15 into 15 is 225. You have to find from here a value of a. Value of 12 is 12 square is 144. Now 144 will come that side. It will be of minus. Here a square is left. Do subtraction. 81 will come. Now again taking square root on both sides. So it will be 81 square root of 81, and this is also will come in under the square root, and this square and square root will be cut. Now what is the square root of 81? 9 nines are 81. So instead of this we will write here 9 into 9. Take out 1 9 from this. It will be a is equal to 9 centimeter. So distance of foot of ladder from wall is 9 centimeter.